Yeah.
Oh my.
That's amazing.
You don't want it?
I don't want to hold
Come
it.
on, mummy. I think I know what it is.
He's gonna feel, he's gonna run off.
Yes.
They're coming. Where are we going today, guys? Where are we going today? Woo! Lacovia, here we come.
Oh, here we are, guys. Where are we? Where are we? Jamaica Zoo!
Just got my handbag and I got the baby hat. Probably not.
That mean once you get your wristband on?
Can we see the parrot?
Yeah.
The birds are on a
First girl in the car, two fingers pulling out. I will reach from me.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm just here. Jamaica Zoo. Basically, it's like all day.
Look at this little fella. Hazel, get in. Look at that parrot. Look how long his tail is. And red and orange and green. Hazy, can yeah, so like.
Wow, this is cool.
Whoa, what's down here?
Wow. Reaction.
Whoa!
Cool. Slow, Hazy. Wow.
Check out this pool.
Oh, how lovely.
Look, the zoo is everywhere.
Wow.
It's actually really beautiful here.
Oh, Daddy's coming up.
Yeah.
Can we see the goose now?
Oh my lord. He
Whoa. Amazing.
lips.
Whoa.
That's what they used to call me, you know.
Whoa.
Back
This is
there.
exciting.
Cheese and pickle, look at that.
How amazing.
Which one of you is called lips?
This one. Let us say hi, Lips.
Hey,
You want to touch it, baby?
Do you want to
touch.
straight
It's
lips?
not dangerous, look.
Look. Wow. Lips is soft.
It's alright, darling.
Very good.
Very brave.
Lips is very soft.
Touch again.
Touch lips.
Ooh.
Oh wow, it's so
Very
smooth.
Very
What do you think about lips? What did it feel like?
What did it feel like?
T, what did it feel like?
Good.
Is it scaly?
I thought
Lips is our ball python snake. It's one of the friendliest snake of the snake family.
Okay.
We have over 3,000 species of snake. 300 and more are considered to be venomous. They
Whoa.
got their name ball python as whenever they feel threatened by something or someone, they'll simply curl themselves into a ball.
Ah.
They have 200 teeth that is placed backwards in their mouth.
yes.
They don't use it for chewing, they use it to secure their prey.
Yeah.
Snakes don't sting, snakes bite. Some people use their skin to make accessories.
Yes.
For example, shoes, belts, handbags, bracelets, etc. Here we feed her on live chickens,
That's it.
rabbits, and mice at times. Who
Wow.
wants to be the first to take a picture?
Yeah,
Go on,
yeah.
Daddy.
Come across here, baby.
Hold lip.
Like that.
Now you're gonna look at your camera.
Yay.
Whoa, lips.
Go on, lip.
I love lips.
So friendly.
Nice drop lips.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well done,
Oh,
Hazel.
snake.
Well
Right,
done.
gently, really gently. Good boy.
Good job.
Wow. You don't want it?
I don't want to hold
Come
it.
on, mummy.
Okay.
That's it, that'll
Do I have
do.
to take it from you? I'll just hold.
Whoa, watch the head, T. You're very brave, mummy. Well done. Bye, lips.
That was cool.
Yellow.
Where are you? Oh, yellow.
No, wait. Guys,
Whoa.
look at yellow. They're not
Yeah.
getting me holding that one, are they? Yeah.
Look at yellow, guys.
Hey, you gonna hold this one? Hazel, you gonna hold this one? Have you seen
You
yellow?
must be strong, Hazel.
My God, I don't know if I'm gonna hold yellow.
It's very heavy.
Hope yellow's eaten.
Come, Daddy.
Wait.
Oi, yellow is strong and yellow is heavy.
Go on,
Yellow
Daddy.
weighs a ton.
Daddy needs help.
Go ahead, Daddy, hold it, baby.
Go help Daddy.
Touch your tail.
Nice. Go ahead,
Good job, Hazel.
Come
Go,
touch.
T.
Darling, don't worry.
job.
Just gently.
Very nice.
Very good. Look at Mummy. Look at Mummy. Hazy, look.
Ah, it's so heavy. I'm used to handling something like this anyway.
Well, good.
I have to part with this every time. Alright.
Thanks, Yellow.
Time on slide.
Wow. Don't climb up in a minute.
Whoa.
From the journey.
Nice.
Wow. That's incredible.
Yeah, that was wicked.
I wonder what's going to be next. What could
Another
it be?
nice friend.
Okay, even bigger.
No.
It might have been the string.
You're on stage.
Come on, Sophia. What is it going to be?
What do you think's coming?
I think it's going to be a chicken.
I think it's going to be a crocodile. What is it?
Is it a lizard? That's a good guess, Theo.
Look. Wow.
It's a crocodile. Wanna touch it?
Let's give it a stroke.
Oh my.
That's
Look.
amazing. Oh, it's soft underneath. Feel its tummy.
What is its name?
Sophia.
Right. Sophia. Like that.
Hold it, she's just gonna sit in her. Give it a smile.
Yeah.
The skin's so smooth. Feels like
Done, Daddy.
mummy's.
Auntie.
Wow.
Very good.
Auntie.
Whoa. Good boy. Look at that crocodile.
Thank you.
You don't want to do this one either.
No, thank
Why
you.
not?
I'll stroke, but I don't want to hold.
What's the matter? Come
Ooh.
That was cool. Look.
Let me see.
Sophia, as you can see, she has eyes, ears, and nose, which allows her to see, smell, to hear whenever she's underneath the water.
Oh, good girl, Lucy.
Give me a kiss.
No way.
Oh, whoa.
Come on, baby.
Yay, Hazy. Yes, Theodore.
Wow, were you having fun, Mummy?
Yeah, this one's cool because it's on a stick.
I think Lucy likes me. Can I have a kiss, Lucy?
Tell him no, you only kiss me.
Oh,
Oh, Lucy. Bye. What's been your favourite animal so far, guys? Which one's been your favourite one? Which one's been your favourite animal?
I like the big snake.
I like small snake.
The small snake.
My breakfast.
Gonna feed some nice friends. For them to come out, we are gonna shout the name, hold it real strong. You hear?
Real strong.
He's the one I'm worried
Real
about.
strong. So let us all say 89.
89. Hold the bowl strong.
89.
I think I know what it is.
He's gonna feel it's gonna run.
Yes. Nice. Hold it.
Hold it so they can eat. They're coming.
Come again. Come hold it
Guys,
again.
hold the
Come
ball.
again. Can you help her hold it? Help them, Daddy. Good.
Good girl, Hazel.
T, come round here. T, come here.
Those are
It's
the
okay,
chickens.
T.
Put your hand on the bowl. T, put your hand on the bowl. That's it.
Good boy,
Hazel, come here and
Theodore.
help. You
Good
can do it.
boy.
Well, you were doing it a while ago.
I know.
Yes.
It's really good fun. They eat out your hand, and you can feel their lovely soft lips nibbling at your fingers.
Oh, wonderful.
It's nice. They
Well
love
done,
me.
Daddy. They're going back home.
Starting here, we have our scarlet macaws. They are the most beautiful of the parrot family and the most loyal. Throughout their entire lives, they only have one partner unless the other one dies, so they're faithful and loyal.
There you go. What's her name?
Kim.
Can I give us some parrot facts? So apparently parrots can speak because they have a very dexterous tongue, and the only reason they have a dexterous tongue is because they mainly eat like Brazil nuts and hard nuts. So they hold the nut, crack it, and they move the nut around in their mouth and crack it again. So they have a super agile tongue which allows them to then make sounds which we recognize as language.
Oh, well, thank you, Daddy, for that. Thank you, thank you.
So they're very smart
Hey.
birds.
I just made that up.
That's it, on the long stick. Well done, Fee.
Okay. Is it?
Them dad jokes just keep on coming.
What kind of chickens these are?
Yeah, that is a pointy head chicken.
No.
That was
What kind of guess?
What do you think?
I've no
I
idea.
honestly have no idea.
I thought it was
Terrible
a
as that.
turkey.
I thought it was a turkey, exactly.
Oh, good.
What, there's a chicken and a snake are best friends?
Yes.
No, they're
So
not.
here we have the reticulated python. They're said to be the longest snakes in the world, and they can take in a whole human. So the prey on the inside is gonna be its meal.
Oh man. That's,
Bye-bye.
no. I'm just going to say a prayer for you and good luck. Hope you peck the snake's eyes out, but we know that's not going to happen.
So here we have the monitor lizard.
I don't know what that means. Lloyd did kindly explain.
Daddy.
I've noticed, Lloyd, they got a very wiggly.
Big swimmers and they dig into tunnels. If they should want, if you should grab delicacy in some countries.
I wouldn't eat him. Don't worry, mate.
For stealing money, jewelry, even babies.
Really?
Yes. Step back a little, Hazel.
They're trained for stealing babies.
Yes.
Shall I give Melody to the monkey?
Oh my lord, I wouldn't do that.
Yes, so you notice they...
What do you think of that guy up there?
He's good.
Oh.
Alright, so here we have our Indian cow, otherwise called the Brahman cattle.
You alright, gents? Lads, can I do a quick interview?
Yeah, what's going on?
What are you saying? You alright? We were here with the workers at Jamaica Zoo. How's it going? You alright?
Yeah, man, everything good.
You good? Hey.
What's going on? Hey, young man.
T.
What's going
Come on.
Hi, young miss. How you doing? Oh, yeah. Right here, we come
Thank
from,
you,
know?
for
Right,
thank
right
you,
here.
thank
Big
you,
up yourself, you know?
thanks for giving us the snakes.
Don't climb.
No problem.
Thank you. It made our experience.
No, man,
You're gonna
no
have to
problem.
thank you. We've had such a nice day. Thank you.
too, all right. Take care.
Do you say thank you? Thank you. Happy
Let's
Easter.
go.
Do you say Happy Easter? Oh, hey.
What's that, darling?
Mighty.
What? The heat. And the other one. Go on. Go on. Are you having fun? Guys, I've got some questions for you. How did you find your day at Jamaica Zoo?
Good.
What was it? Would you go again?
What was your favourite?
My favorite animal was the horse.
Oh,
What was your favourite animal?
The parrot.
The parrot? What was your one? The smelly bottom!
No, the horse.
Oh, you got me!
yeah, it's been such a lovely day, such lovely weather. Oh, over it goes.
So you would go again?
Would you come again? Would you come again, Hazel?
What are you doing?
Would you come again, Melody?
Alright.
Is it? Where's the person with the fruit?
Said that the bloke has gone somewhere. 400. That's lovely.
Look at all of this.
Do you want to get a coconut one?
Yeah, you get whatever.
Are you good with a machete? What do you call it? A machete or a cutlass? Machete. Yeah, cutlass, machete. I know some people call it a cutlass, don't they? Some people
Oh,
call
they
it a
smell
machete.
so good.
What is this? Honey. Yeah, I thought it was honey.
Is it honey?
Yeah. You know
What do you want, guys?
Pineapple.
Like you. Oh, you're talking about pineapple. Four. Just four.
What do you want to get? Should we just
I want a coconut.
go on then? Get a coconut.
What's that? Oh, I'll have a cold. It depends. I don't want a hot one.
You just want a sweet one.
I like a sweet one. Yeah, go on. Buy some vegetables.
Yeah.
What do you?
Lovely. Did it get you?
Yeah, something from yours.
Oh, the new one on there?
Yeah, you know the southern bypass.
He said we're not gonna use the same way. Like everyone
Stay
is
here.
cut off and going on different. Like our skin here.
Yeah.
Yeah, holes on it.
Don't drop it.
I like coconut.
Coconut.
I want a pineapple.
Here you go, baby. Drink up. Here you go. What's it like, Mumsy Wumsy?
Tastes. It's lovely. It's really delicious.
Here's big ears. There you go. Oh, there's a wasp.
Oh, there you go.
Why don't you just get a bulla?
Yeah, like bulla before.
Yeah. I'm Jamaican.
Oh, me also have natural juice.
What?
Just get something.
I am going to get something, but I'm trying to get. To be honest with you, I want a snack now.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a little one.
Oh, sorrel.
This happy.
How much? $2.50.
Should you get the sorrel?
Get the sorrel and like a
That's for the
bulla or a bun.
You don't have paid for that, haven't we?
Yeah. Let's sit in the boot and have a quick
Oh,
sit.
you're sitting here.
Alright, just have a quick sit.
Just in case like a car comes down and crashes into us. where we at the moment.
Oi!
Santa Cruz.
This looks like a hat.
Do you want one, Dee?
This one looks like a hat.
Mmm.
Have it another day. Still today.